which are, I told you that any substance have some mass and some volume are called matters. And here we are classifying matters on the basis of its characteristics, on the basis of physical appearance. It is treated as solid, liquid, gas. On the basis of chemical classification, we can make it pure or impure. Pure substances, impure is also known as mixed or mixture. Now pure substances we are classifying in two types, elements and compounds. Then compounds are further classified into organic and inorganic. Elements also can be classified in three types, metals, non-metals and metalloids. So we will start with solid, liquid and gas. If we discuss about this chalk, this is a solid substance. We can say it have some specific mass, it have some specific mass, it have some volume, specified volume, definite volume, it have some definite mass, volume, shape, size. That's why it is solid. But while I am discussing about water, we can say it has mass, volume, but it has not no shape. The shape of liquid depends upon the shape of container. If I will place water in this cylindrical vessel, it will be cylindrical. If I will place the same liquid in this lower part, we can find out this is a dome-like structure, and while I am doing this, this is a cylindrical structure. So the shape of liquid depends upon the container, shape of the container, while gas has no definite volume or shape but has a fixed mass. Similarly, solid have high melting point, boiling point and density, while liquid has low melting point, boiling point, density as compared to solid, and same gas have negligible density as compared to solid and liquid. Now, as we know that this matter consists of some particles, tiny particles, and those particles are called atoms or molecules. If something has some atoms and molecules, there is a possibility that this may have some force of attraction between them. And we know that it has a fixed volume, they are compact. It means the atoms and molecules, whatever it have high intermolecular force of attraction. So in case of solid, the atoms or molecules that present inside the solid substance is very high as compared to liquid, as compared to gas. Gas has very low intermolecular force of attraction. Now similarly, if it has very low intermolecular force of attraction, it should have high kinetic energy, because if you are tied up at one portion, then they cannot move. For moving, we need some space. That's why they have kinetic energy, then high kinetic energy, very high kinetic energy in gas, than liquid, than solid. And kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. As the temperature increases, kinetic energy increases. So the temperature here is high for the kinetic energy. This is some properties of solid, liquid and gas. Now we will discuss about pure substances. Pure substances present in two forms, maybe in their native form, that we are saying elements. Those are present in periodic table are called elements, and on the basis of their characteristics, elements are further categorized into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Normally we can say elements, those have tendency to lose electron, we say metals. Anything that have tendency to accept electron called non-metals, and some have the properties in between metals and non-metals are treated as metalloids. While we are discussing about compounds, compounds are of two types: organic, inorganic. If any living substance contains or carbon related compounds are known as organic compounds, while ionic compounds are treated as inorganic compounds. Now if we will discuss about mixture, mixture is of two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Consider I have taken a vessel containing only sugar. So we will say this container contains only sugar. It means it is pure. What we want we are getting, that means it is pure. But if now what we, homogeneous, if two or more different components present but in same physical state, then we will say homogeneous. Consider I am adding water and alcohol. After adding, we cannot distinguish where is water or where is alcohol. That's why it is a homogeneous mixture. But when you are adding water to oil or oil to water, you can clearly distinguish where is oil, where is water, or you can say it is a mixture. So that is called heterogeneous. After adding two or more components, if you can distinguish, then it is heterogeneous. If you cannot distinguish, then it is called homogeneous.